Greetings and welcome to สวนกุหลาบวิทยาลัยธนบุรี where excellence in education meets a world of opportunities. สวนกุหลาบวิทยาลัยธนบุรี is located in the heart of the green area in Bangkok, where it used to be the Bangmo Tangerine Farm.
We are delighted to stand before you today and introduce an exceptional institution. It's not just a school, it's a place where dreams take flight.
Thank you. สวนกุหลาบวิทยาลัยธนบุรี is more than just a school. It's a dynamic hub of learning and growth. As a Thai government school, we are dedicated to fostering a nurturing environment where students can find their potential and develop into well-renowned individuals.
Our state-of-the-art facilities include cutting-edge laboratories for science, robotics and AI classrooms, language and computer center, and even a culinary science classroom. These facilities are designed to inspire creativity, foster curiosity, and offer hands-on experiences that go beyond traditional learning.
But what truly sets Swan Gulab apart is our commitment to excellence, not only in student education, but also in the professional development of our teachers. Our educators participate in ongoing training and development programs, staying at the forefront of educational practices to bring the latest knowledge and methodologies into the classroom.
At SKT, we offer a diverse range of programs for the unique needs and interests of our students. Whether it's the Thai program, English program, robotics and AI classroom, mini English program, or the gifted program, for those who have a passion for science and mathematics, we have a path for everyone.
For those seeking a global perspective, our international program, utilizing the prestigious Cambridge curriculum, prepares students for their success on the international stage. It's like an educational journey that transcends borders, shaping well-rounded global citizens.
As part of our commitment to global exposure, we are thrilled to offer an exchange program that allows our students to experience education and culture beyond our borders.
This invaluable experience is made possible through our strong partnership with prestigious institutions in Thailand and different countries all around the globe, such as in Italy, United Kingdom, USA, Australia, New Zealand, China, and so on. We extend our deepest gratitude to all institutions for their collaboration and support in broadening the horizon of our students.
Beyond academics, we understand the importance of holistic development. Our students actively participate in a myriad of extracurricular activities that enrich their lives.
From sports to arts, music, and community service, a wide array of opportunities is available for our students to explore their interests and develop valuable life skills.
The land on which Swan Gulab Vichayalai Thonburi stands was generously donated by Mrs. Manata Suwananon. Her father, a proud alumnus of Swan Gulab Vichayalai School, and her contribution are a testament to our deep connections and sense of community that define our school.
In conclusion, Swan Gulab Vichayalai Thonburi is more than just an educational institution. We are a community dedicated for fostering academic excellence, personal development, and a love of learning. We invite you to be part of this vibrant journey and witness the transformation. Please come and join us. Thank you.